friends. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the historic neighborhood of Shaganappi in Calgary, Alberta. Located in the northwest part of the city, Shaganappi is a charming community with a rich history and a strong sense of identity. The name Shaganappi comes from the Cree word for rawhide, or the leather used for lashing, reflecting the area's indigenous heritage. This neighborhood was established in the early 20th century and has grown into a vibrant residential area known for its tree-lined streets and family-friendly atmosphere. The area's history is closely tied to the development of Calgary itself. As the city expanded in the early 1900s, Shaganappi became a desirable location for those seeking a suburban lifestyle while still being close to downtown. Calgary itself is a large city in the province of Alberta, sitting at the point where the prairies meet the foothills of the Rocky Mountains. It became a city in 1894 and grew quickly because of the railway, ranching, and the oil industry. Today, Calgary is one of Canada's major cities, known for its energy sector, clean streets, and friendly people. The city is also famous for the Calgary Stampede, a huge rodeo and festival held every summer. With a mix of modern downtown life and access to beautiful natural areas, Calgary offers the best of both worlds. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Calgary, Alberta.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!